We're going to be reading for sign of Capricorn. So what you guys can possibly expect from now until the end of the month. I'm sorry for being late. Okay, so yeah, let's start. What's coming towards Capricorn for the coming 3 weeks? What's really coming towards Capricorn for the coming 3 weeks? Right now with King of Wands, many of you guys could be in connection with a possible fire sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person, I believe, on some which level in the past left you out in the cold with Five of Pentacles. With Knight of Wands, this person was more like sexually attracted towards you and very much in and out. But right now, I see them having interest towards you or wanting to make a move or wanting to take action towards you. Okay, so how is this person possibly going to come forward? How is this person, new or old, possibly going to come forward? One card for how are they possibly going to come forward? Got to have a card. Just a second. Just dropped it down. Right now with Four of Cups in the reverse, in the past, this person kept you waiting. Okay, right now with Knight of Pentacles, they are coming in very, very slow. Okay, I believe that this person is coming in, but they're coming in very, very slow. And being an earth sign, you're very practical about life and all that shit, but no one can actually face someone who takes their own sweet time to possibly take action, no matter whatever sign you are. Okay, right now many of you guys could be being at crossroads regarding the situation. You guys are not so sure whether you should hold on or give up. Okay, with the World card, some of you are wanting to just stay away because you're tired, dude. Like, it's been, for some of you, it's been like 9 fucking weeks or 9 fucking months that you guys are going through this up and down phase. 9 weeks to 9 months. Okay, this is not going to be brand new. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, you do have feelings for this person. Okay, no kidding, you do have feelings. Okay, so one card for how are they thinking of you now. One card for how is this person possibly thinking of Capricorn now. One card for how is this person possibly thinking of Capricorn now. Okay, right now with Knight of Swords, this person wants to come. Okay, wants to come forward, possibly going to apologize and come forward. Okay, with Queen of Cups, this love is mutual. Okay, even though this person looks like a player and has behaved like a player, I believe on some which level this person will make a move right back. They want to come back right at you. Okay, possibly with the apology, mostly, hopefully. But I feel this person has either a in their chart, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, could be anywhere like Sun, Moon, Rising, or could also have fire in their chart like Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings. So what are their current feelings towards the sign of Capricorn? What are their current feelings towards the sign of Capricorn, if we may know, Spirit? Current feelings with the devil, this person is obsessed about you. Okay, like seriously obsessed. Usually the devil card is looked at as a Capricorn person. Some of you could be also dealing with a Capricorn. Doesn't have to be, but with the devil, this person is sexually obsessed with you, obsessed overall with you. This person might also be stalking you, keeping a watch on you, like possibly having like checking on you, basically what you're doing on social media, because we have the Page of Wands. Usually I see Wands as socializing, so could be in terms of keeping a watch on your social media, possibly like seeing who you're following, or like who you're posting with and stuff like that. Okay, so one card for how do they feel for you now. How does this person possibly feel for Capricorn? How does this person possibly feel for Capricorn? One card for how does this person possibly feel for Capricorn? Right now, this person could be feeling like they are you are rejecting them, or they feel rejected. I do not know why. Right now, on some which level, this person feels like you are not giving them a clear idea or clear signal as to what you truly want with them. I do not know why this person is coming off very confused. No doubt they are extremely obsessed about you. They think of you all the time. They want to come near you. But don't get me wrong here. I feel this person is confused. They do not know like exactly what they want with you. Okay, they feel this unimaginable pull towards you. With Two of Cups, they look at you as a soulmate, but still some days they are confused. They do not know if this person hasn't come yet or has been doing this shit over and over again. This person could have a choice. Okay, I'll be very straightforward. Okay, there could be a third party in the picture. Okay, and that is why they are not being able to come. If it's not that, if there's no fucking third party, I feel this person feels rejected by you. They feel like you are not taking them seriously, or you are not wanting to take them seriously. Okay, so take it accordingly. Okay, so this or that. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you, one card for this person's intentions towards Capricorn, one card for their intentions towards Capricorn, one card for their intentions towards Capricorn. Intentions, I'll be very honest here. This person is confused as fuck. Okay, with the Seven of Cups, they might be having or getting dreams about you. They might be thinking about you a lot. You are always on their mind. Okay, your thoughts are on their mind 24/7. Okay, but the problem is they do not know exactly what they truly want with you. Okay, top card with Ten of Swords. Things ended in the past. Right now things are very much messed up. Okay, in the past I'm getting that you guys shared a very sexually a sexual connection. Okay, it wasn't very emotional. Okay, with the Hermit card, this person could have friend zoned you. This could also go vice versa. This might be the Capricorn doing the shit, but someone out of nowhere ghosted the other person. Okay, so that's something I see. With Nine of Pentacles, yes, they started behaving all detached and started behaving like they are going to friend zone you at any point, and they do not need you as a soulmate. They only need you as a friend, and started acting all detached and like they are self-sufficient. They do not need you and all that shit. Okay, some of them could have also told you that they need to focus on their career and not on their love life. Okay. With Hermit card, yes, they ghosted you, dude. They fucking ghosted you. With Queen of Swords, they got all detached. Okay, so one card for what you could possibly expect from this person now. What you could possibly expect from this person the coming next 3 weeks. What you could possibly expect from this person. With Two of Wands, I think this person will possibly wait on you to take action. Okay, I do not see them willingly taking action. With Eight of Pentacles, they are still behaving like they are very much wanting to focus on themselves. Don't get me wrong, they do have feelings. They do want you. They are fucking obsessed about you. Sexually, they feel the strong, weird pull towards you, but they are not being able to make a decision. Their confusion maybe on some which level that they have air in their charts, maybe a Gemini or a Libra. I'm a Libra, but I am decisive. I do not know. Some Libras are indecisive. So with Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Cups, they are confused whether they should stay single or get into a relationship. Okay, they know that if they have to get into a relationship with you, they have to go all the way, like get married, have kids and shit. So yeah, with Ten of Pentacles, yes, that's what they know. Okay, so why is this person exactly holding back? Why is this person exactly holding back? One card for why is this person exactly holding back? Or what's the main issue in this connection? What's the main blockage, if we may know, Spirit? With Nine of Cups, this person is very much self-focused. Okay, selfish is the other word. All about themselves. Their happiness all lies around themselves. Their goals, their ambition, their future, their plans. Okay, that's been a problem. Very much self-obsessed, I would say. Okay, with Page of Pentacles, I believe they want to accomplish more as a person, as an individual, as a businessman. If they are one in terms of career, they want to accomplish more. I believe they are not very happy where they are financially, and they want to get more stronger before coming towards you. That could also be something. Okay, one more card as to what they want to offer you now. What exactly are they willing to offer you now? One card for what's the Capricorn possibly wanting to or willing to offer Capricorn now. One card for that, please. One card for that. For some of you, this person might want to travel with you, but on some which level they want you to follow their path. They are not going to follow your path. Okay, usually Six of Swords is shown off as a relationship where emotions are not considered or not expressed or not really taken into account. Okay, so don't get me wrong here, this person might want to travel with you, but is not exactly wanting to open up emotionally or wanting to express emotionally. For some of you, this person wants you to choose their path or to follow their path. If they want you to relocate and move in with them or move somewhere with them, they want you to do that. Okay, they are not going to follow your path. They are not going to want to do things the mutual way. They want to get things done their way. Okay, a very, very stubborn individual. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, they are way more focused on their finances right now and is not willing to open up emotionally. I'll be very straightforward. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the sign of Capricorn? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the sign of Capricorn? For some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. Okay, with the Lovers card, you guys will have a choice. Okay, with Nine of Wands, I feel you're fucking exhausted and tired with this connection. You can't really choose what you need to do. You have choices. Many of you will choose to stay single. Okay, don't get me wrong here. Don't hate me for telling you what it is. I know you're Earth sign, you guys are very practical about stuff, but some people do get all messed up regarding this readings. Okay, these are general readings and may not resonate. So let's take love messages from your person. Let's take love messages from your person now. What does Capricorn's soulmate want to say to Capricorn now? Does Capricorn's soulmate truly want to say to Capricorn? How I wish I could have you with me right now. Okay, so this person is in some which way wanting to spend some time with you. Don't get me wrong. And top card we have here is I don't know how I feel we were made for each other. So in some which way this person might feel like you were made for them, but they are not willing to compromise. Okay, that's the issue. If you want them to compromise and settle things, they want to follow your path, I don't see that happening, darling. Okay, one of you has to compromise and they are not willing to compromise. Spirit, give me one more card as to what they want, wanting to say to Capricorn now. What are they willing or wanting to say to Capricorn now? Love message from Capricorn's soulmate to Capricorn. Card for that, please. Okay. I have always loved you. It's not that I was confused. Okay, for some of you, this person loves you, but they have other responsibilities right now. Okay, I fear rejection once you see the real me. I don't know. This might have been a player who has been dating multiple people, but has always had the heart for you. But you know, sometimes these connections do not make sense. You know, you can't bloody fuck people around and then expect someone else to be in love with you. You know, so that's something I see for now. But I know that this reading was confusing, but it is what it is. Okay, I believe your love life is confusing. Okay, that's why these cards are showing up. Okay, so with the Lovers card, you will have a choice. This person is still up for some sexual drama. Okay, so if you up for that, good for you. This person might also want to meet you in person for a small date, might also want to spend time with you, but long term is still not sure. Okay, they are still confused regarding the commitment part. Okay, they are not wanting or willing to express emotionally. They might want to spend time with you, might want to go on a small vacation with you, but is not exactly wanting to express feelings and wanting to settle down, if that's what you're wanting. Okay, so I believe many of you will choose a different path. Many of you will try to or get single from them and move away and go for something better. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Capricorn. Please note that I post videos based on the likes I get from all the signs. So if your likes are more than the other sign comparatively, then I'll be posting your videos more. So if you connected with this reading, please do hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and please keep coming back for more readings. Thank you so much for all the love, and yeah, see you soon, guys. Cheers.